weights to fill it, put the tongs down, pick my hammer up before I put the drift in, and then side to side. The drift is just to fit the hole and acts as an anvil inside the hole. You don't want to overdrive it. Just go to it stops. The first drift will be tougher than the second. Hit the middle. Go up. I'm going to go ahead and drive the drift again. So you got a little bit right there. Just change the position. Now I'm going to make a run. And I can do 3 hits on this billet. Okay, now we release the drift. Don't worry too much about that on this. And we're going to towards the face. You'll have to move that. I want to go 90-degree turns. Snug the drift as you go. All 4 sides. You want even for no. The striker stays right there. The striker needs. We want to forge evenly. So don't let your striker move. That's a common thing for me to do when I cross my arm there. Okay. Release the drift. Same thing other side.